This is Spectracide Pro Wasp and Hornet Killer. I have the Spectracide Wasp and Hornet Killer, the regular, but I also have this one. And the reason I love this one so much better is that it kills the wasp and keep them away for up to 4 weeks. So I can go outside up to 4 weeks and don't have to worry about respraying the area to make sure no wasps are going to come out and get me. So yes, Spectracide Pro Wasp and Hornet Killers. It's designed to kill wasp, hornets, and yellow jackets and eliminate the nests where they live and breed. It also kills mud daubers. So this is a fast knockdown. This one jet sprays up to 20 feet away, kills entire nests, and like I said, it kills returning wasps and hornets up to 4 weeks. This particular bottle is 18 ounces, which is 1 pound, 2 ounces, or 510 grams. This is what the sprayer looks like. I'm going to take you outside and hopefully give you a visual of what the spray looks like. Okay, so I am outside and I think I'm about 20 feet from what I consider my target. I'm not sure, but check this out. Pretty far reach. And if you look up close, it sprays on clear. There's no foam to it. It's just clear liquid.